Hey guys, thanks for clicking this video. My name is Kara, and in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to file your LLC and get your EIN number in the state of Wyoming. And this whole process is only going to be about 5 minutes. I've seen other videos on YouTube where it's really long and complicated, and I really just have no idea what they're doing. This process is so easy if you follow along. So click the link in the description below. It's going to take you to the 𝗤𝙀𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 website. That way you can follow along with me. I'm going to do it on my computer screen at the same time you do it on yours. So, that way you can see exactly what to do step by step. So again, click that link in the description below and let's just get right into it. All right, so on the 𝗤𝙀𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 website, we're going to start by clicking Wyoming. And now you're going to type in your business name to make sure that it's available in your state. So I do eyelash extensions on the go. I'm going to type in my business name and it's available. And then we can just hit next here. All right, and what stage is your business currently in? Just select whatever applies for you right now. And as far as the industry you fall into, you may fall into a couple different categories, but just start to type in one and you'll see as you type in a letter, so many options come up, so you can get really specific. I mean, they have pretty much everything. So I'm gonna type in eyelash extensions and there it is. And then what are you providing? So you're either offering a physical good, like an item, or a professional service. So like I mentioned, I have a professional service, but if you happen to sell both of these things, you can always click both. And are you planning to hire employees? So let's just say you don't have employees, right? And then you file your LLC and then you decide you do want employees, or maybe the other way around. That's totally fine. It's not going to affect your LLC filing. You won't have to change anything later on. This is just kind of a question of where you are currently. And now you're going to type in your zip code. And then where are you serving your customers? So you're either selling online at a shopper store or on the go. So like I mentioned, I'm mobile, I'm on the go. I'm going to click this option here. But let's just say I had a website and I'm selling products too. I can click online. And if you happen to have all three, good for you. You can click all three. Okay, and what are we planning to do today? So you're just going to click LLC. Make sure it's highlighted in blue. And then I also want you to click EIN. So at some point down the line, you will more than likely need an EIN. And your EIN number is basically like the social security number of your business. It's really important because you're going to need it when you file your taxes for your business, or if you open a business credit card, business bank account. So like I said, it's just really important to have. At some point you will need it. And I love that Taylor Brands kind of has all this stuff in one. So maybe you need a logo made, or maybe you need a license for something, or you want a website made. They can do all of that stuff for you. So if you want to select anything else, feel free to go for that or check it out later. But for this video, we're just going to do LLC and EIN. And this is asking what we've done. It's more or less a survey, so you can just skip this. And then you discovered Taylor Brands through YouTube. Okay, and they're offering a free 12-week business coaching program. I love this. I feel like, first of all, it's free, and maybe I can learn something to help me make more money. So I always like to select join the program. But if you want to pass, you can click no thanks. And now you're just going to type in your personal information. Create a password. Okay, and now they're asking, would you like Taylor Brands to help you get an EIN number? So if you want to get your EIN number on your own, you can do that. It's through the IRS website. The only thing is the IRS website only works on the weekdays, not the weekends. Don't know why. And in my opinion, the IRS website isn't the easiest to navigate. And it's just one more thing I have to add to my to-do list. So for me, it's worth paying $99 to have Taylor Brands just do it for me right now. Don't have to think about it. Don't have to add to the to-do list. So that's great. So it's up to you what you want to do. But again, I like to have them do it for me. And as far as being a registered agent, so a registered agent, I know it sounds like it's something crazy, but essentially it's where you're getting your mail about your LLC. So don't stress about it too much. If you live in Wyoming and you're opening your LLC in the state, you are more than likely your own registered agent. Now, let's say you live in a different state and you're opening it in Wyoming, and maybe for tax reasons or your accountant tells you otherwise, then you may need to appoint someone that lives in the state. But like I said, you are more than likely your own registered agent. So you can click this option down here, and it's just asking, are you sure? Yes, we're sure. Now, every single year, no matter what state you live in, you have to renew your LLC every single year. So if you forget to do it, you might be charged a late fee, or you have to refile it. Basically, anything, when you miss it, you're gonna have to pay more money. So that we wanna avoid that. So it's really important to renew it every year. And if you think you might forget, Taylor Brands can do it for you every single year for $199. They'll just refresh it pretty much, and you don't have to worry about it. I'm gonna try to save some money, and I'm gonna handle the compliance myself. But like I said, make sure you renew it every single year, otherwise it gets really expensive. And a branding toolkit, I'm just gonna click no here. And would you like your LLC expedited to you in 2 days? It's only $49. I feel like it's worth it. I want my LLC as fast as possible so I can get started with everything. But if you have some time to wait, you can always select this option here and there's no extra charge. Again, I'm gonna click 2 days. And you don't need to worry about an operating agreement. So click, I'll figure it out. Would you like a formation kit? I'm gonna click no. And you guys, this is an amazing service. So let's just say you have a system set up and you don't really feel like it's as organized as you need it to be as for all of your finances, or maybe you don't have a system set up yet for how to organize like your invoices and your bookkeeping. Taylor Brands can get you on track with that, so you have like everything lined up perfectly, organized, you know where all of your money's going, and it's gonna help you be more successful if you're really growing your business. If you have a small business like I do, I'm just gonna manage my own books and invoices for now. But like I said, it's definitely worth checking out if you're really serious about your business and you want it to grow. So they do offer a free trial. Don't know the price at the end, but it's worth checking out. So click whatever's best for you right now. And yes, we want to get notified about our LLC. Okay, and you guys, they offer a couple different plans. You can see what's included. But for today, we only need this light plan. We're just paying for our LLC and our EIN number. And, there's no point to spend any extra money. Let's spend as little as possible. So we can click this here. And now it's going to give us a breakdown of what we're paying for. So the Wyoming state filing fee is $104. We're getting that free business coaching program, and we're paying $49 for the 2-day expedited filing. So this is the amount you'll pay for today. This is not highlighted, so we don't got to pay that. And then after your LLC is filed, you would then be charged the EIN number. So it's going to come through as 2 separate charges. So today is just the fee for the LLC and the expedited filing. Okay, so now you're going to enter your credit card information. Afterwards, it's going to ask you a little bit more basic info, but like nothing you have to think about. It's super easy. And you guys, that's literally it. You filed your LLC and EIN number. There's nothing else. You can see how fast and easy that was. But if you do have questions, feel free to leave them below in the comments. I'm more than happy to answer and talk to you guys about any, comments, questions, concerns, anything like that you have. But I wish you the best of luck in your business, and I will see you guys in the next one.